Can you change my bandage for me?
The doctor's late.
You promised to be here at 9. It's noon already.
You look like you had a turban on. Do you know a stranger in the kitchen yesterday asked me what nationality you were? Ah, the wound's almost healed. Mwah. You won't be silly while I'm away, will you?
No, Mother. I did what I did. I was in despair, that's all. It won't happen again. I remember when you were still acting at the State Theatre. When I was a little boy. There was a fight one day close to where we lived. A poor washerwoman was almost beaten to death. You nursed her until she was well. You took care of her children, do you remember?
No, I don't remember that at all.
2 ballet dancers lived in the same house as the washerwoman. You used to go and drink coffee with them.
Yeah, I remember that. I remember the ballet dancers.
I love you now, as trustingly and as tenderly as I did as a child. I have nothing left but you.